What's going on? This is Billy Danellis here, and you are now listening to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. So you're probably wondering, how do affiliate marketers like us, who didn't cheat and got results with no advertising budget from start, want to effectively run an affiliate marketing business online? How do we get closer to financial freedom without using strategies that take a toll on our bank accounts? That's the big question, and you will find the answer on this podcast. My name is Billy Nellis, and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. If you're not familiar with me or this show yet, just know that I'm going to share my journey so far that I've experienced with affiliate marketing so that I can help you make some money with it, with strategies that I'm going to share. And don't forget that you can also ask me some questions. If you go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com, you opt in, and there's a little section that I left there so that you can go ahead, record your questions, and in some of the future episodes, I'm going to be able to answer them on the podcast so that you can listen to the answer. And I'm also going to bring on some special guests in the nearest future so that you can hear their story, how they became successful, so that you can take some of these nuggets and apply it to your affiliate marketing business or your business that you are doing right now. All right. So what I wanted to share today is at one point in my journey, I had some affiliates for a product that I put on ClickBank. As you know, ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate platform that you can go on and be an affiliate for the products on there, right? So I put a product on there in the music niche. If you don't know by now, I'm also a music producer. It's my passion. And if you haven't listened to my story yet, you can go back to the first episode of this podcast, and you're going to understand where I'm coming from with this. So at one point in my journey, I had some affiliates on ClickBank. And the way that you set it up is, you can have a product that you create. Other people can go ahead and promote it by you putting it on that platform. And the way that you divide shares is whenever somebody, generate a sale or they send somebody to their own link and they generate a sale, I would send them a percentage of that sale, of those sales that they would generate every single week. So the way that I set it up so that I can have affiliates is that, if a sale is generated, I would keep 60% and I would send them 40%. All right. Now, I could set it different. Most of the time, the shares should be between 40 to 60%, depending on who's setting it up. But on average, that's how I saw that other product creator or seller would set it up for other affiliate to get compensated when they would utilize their link to sell their product, right? Now, the affiliate marketing business model that I discovered was completely different. And the one that I discovered it was actually, after the fact that, I had my paid advertising disaster, right? I shared the story on the first episode. You can always go back and listen to that, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. Is, I discovered a trending affiliate marketing business model, and it allowed me to have 100% commissions for it, right? So instead of having a share to where if I generate a sale, I'm going to get only a percentage, like 40, 50, 60% at the most. Well, with this, I was, it's 100% commission, and I'm still utilizing this today. I didn't even know that something like that existed before, and it's absolutely amazing. And here's how it works. The only thing, though, compared to going on a platform like ClickBank or JVZoo or, there's a bunch of other ones out there, but with this platform, you have to own the product, though. You have to be a product owner of it. Sorry about that. I'm eating my words. Bear with me. As you know, or if you didn't know yet, my first language is French. So sometimes I get excited and I eat my words, right? So anyways, with this affiliate marketing business model, you have to own the product. You have to actually buy it. So you're an owner or customer of it, but then you can buy a reseller's rights license for it, right? You buy a reseller's rights. You buy a reseller's rights license for that product, and it allows you to have 100% commission for it. And I'm talking about, $1,000 commission that would get paid to you the same day. And what's amazing is that when you set up your payment details to say your PayPal, when somebody come in and they purchase from you, from your link, from your affiliate link, well, the way that they actually buy the product is through your PayPal link. How amazing is that? And this is how I've been able to generate some cash flow with this affiliate business model, because when somebody buys, they buy through my PayPal link, and it comes to me in real time without waiting, the same day. And that always makes me happy. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I have $1,000 plus commissions in my inbox, my PayPal that came in while I was sleeping, and it's absolutely great. So with that, if you want some more details about that, actually, I'm building a really exclusive inner circle of super affiliates that really want results like that. And if you want to apply, because I want to be really selective and I want to have quality people that actually wants it, like I just said, on my team, right? I'm in my inner circle. So you can go to joinmyinnercircle.com so that you can apply. And I'm going to see if you're a good fit for you to be on my team, because the proven method that I came across of while I discovered this trending affiliate marketing business model really gave me the missing link. And I'm talking about, generating some sales with any business online. So it's something that I put alongside of that affiliate marketing business model in the other streams that I'm running online. And I have about 6 that are going, including my music production business, right? So it really helped me improve everything. But I really want to put together an inner circle of really, dedicated and serious super affiliates with me so that we can go ahead and crush this together. So this is why I'm really selective. I only have a limited amount of spots, so to speak. So you can go to joinmyinnercircle.com, apply, see if you're a good fit. And if you have what it takes and you really want these kind of results, then you're going to be part of my inner circle, and I can share the proven method with you. It's things like knowing how to close sales without being a salesman, getting results online without spending a dime on paid advertising. So just imagine having 4-figure days online without spending any money on paid advertising, right? Talk about cash flow, getting paid the same day and stuff like that. So this is what made that affiliate marketing business model so great, and I didn't even know it existed before. So I stumbled upon it. It felt like it was God sent, and it's been great ever since. So the difference between going on ClickBank, JVZoo, or all these other platforms is that you don't actually need to own any of these products. But if you're an affiliate of something, your reputation is also on the line. And to me, even if I would go on these platforms, I would go ahead and purchase the product, actually use it so that I can give a review about it, right? Some people, they go ahead, they find a product and they just promote it. That's okay, right? If you're limited on funds, you could do that. But if you never use the product, or you never know, you don't really know what's inside of it, how can you effectively promote it, right? So anyways, you can go on these platforms, you can grab your affiliate link and start promoting them. But with the one that I discovered, you actually have to own it. You have to own it before you become an affiliate. And when you get a reseller's rights for it, you're able to get 100% commission for that product that you now own. So I find that pretty cool. And this is what always gets me excited to share this with other people, so that they can also get 100% commissions coming in the same day in real time in their bank account. And that's great for cash flow. All right. So this is what I wanted to share with you on this podcast. Hopefully you appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a feedback for this podcast. Leave me a review if you're on iTunes. That would really help me with my message and what I want to put out there. And, leave me some feedback so that I can, share some stuff with you that you want to hear about. And also, don't forget, you can go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com so that you can opt in and you can record a question for me that I can answer on one of the future podcast episodes. All right, so Billy Nels here, signing out, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Do you want to know how to set up any affiliate marketing business online the right way without being tech savvy? Go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com and get access to the free 5 video series on how to do that right now.